Hello friends, in the present video, we will see how to find the vertical stress below the corner of a uniformly loaded rectangular area. So, stress below the stress below the corner of uniformly loaded rectangular area. This is very important topic for the GATE exam. So we don't need to do much calculation here. Only simply we have to by heart some formulae. Formula is also not much is there. Only two terms multiplication. That is nothing but a stress. Okay. So here let us consider on the ground surface. Let us imagine that there is a uniformly loaded rectangular area. Let us say on this rectangular area. See, even though my diagram don't looks like the same, let us imagine. Okay, please. Hope it is fine. I think, isn't it? So, if you see here, let us say the width of the rectangle is nothing but a b, and also the length of a rectangle. Let us say this is nothing but a l. Okay. So, and also let us say if I represent the coordinate system here, let me represent with some different color. Okay, so that we'll get understand x. Let us represent y, and in the downward direction let us say z. Okay, so if there is a uniformly loaded rectangular area having dimensions b and l, and here we have to talk about the intensity of the loaded area. So let us say the intensity is nothing but a q, as it is distributed throughout the area. What is the unit? Kilonewton per meter square, or else you can call it as the newtons per meter square. Okay, so here what is it? By using this formula that we are going to write now, by using this we cannot find in between the rectangular area. Let us say if p, sorry, p is also used there, so let me represent with bl used there. So let me represent small a, small b, c, d. Let us say if a comma p comma c comma d are the corners of the loaded area, let us say simply rectangular loaded area. So by using the relations I am going to write it down now, either you will directly find stress below the point A, or stress below the point B, or stress below the point C or D. That means you have to, you will find only stress under the corners of a rectangular loaded area. You cannot find it at all the points. Only you will find out on the corners of the rectangular area. So let us see the formulation now. Let us say, let us find some constant. Let us say m will be equal to L divided by the point where you are finding the stress below the ground surface. Let us say it is at a distance of z. Similarly, there will be some another parameter n, that will be nothing but b divided by z. So wherever you are finding the stress below the ground surface, that is representing by z, b and l are nothing but a dimensions of the loaded area. So we can find out the stress under the corner of the rectangular loaded area, that can be written as k into q, right? So here q we have already seen, q is nothing but a intensity of the loaded area, but here k we can call it as a constant. So in the exam they will give you what is the value of K? This K is depending upon the dimensions of the loaded area and also where you are finding the stress. So if you know M and N, based on this you can find out the K value. If you know K value by using the intensity of the loaded area, then we can find out stress. Okay. There is some big equation of K, like in terms of NM and N, like 1 by 4 pi into 2 pi and so on, so. No one will remember in the exam. Even if they ask me now, I cannot say it. So this K value directly they will give you in the exam. So depending upon the M and N value, directly you can find out the sigma Z value. I think you should get some doubt now. What is it? Can you tell me? Sir, if you can find only under the corners of the rectangular area, suppose if I want to find out inside the rectangular area, how can I find out? That is also a question mark, right? Is it always necessary that we'll find the stress below the corners of the loaded area? No. Sometimes we have to find out at all the points. But how can we find out here? Let us see that. How? Let us consider this is the rectangular area. I'm not showing in a 3D way. I'm just showing in a 2D. Having dimensions B and L. Okay. On this rectangular loaded area, I want to find out stress at somewhere like this. Okay. Instead of finding the corners, I want at some point. Can you tell me how can I do it? If I want to use the above formulation, I cannot. But how can I find out the stress in between the loaded area? So just we will use some logic here. What we'll do? I will divide this entire area into number of rectangles such that one of the corners will meet this point. Let us say, suppose if I divide this into a rectangle. This is one rectangle. Can I divide it? See, corner is meeting the point. Okay. I will say this is the second rectangle. This is first rectangle. Second rectangle. This second rectangle corner is also meeting the point. Similarly, what it is called? Third rectangle. Similarly, fourth rectangle. So, if you take the rectangular area of one, point is also meeting, point is under the one corner. If you take second rectangle, for this second rectangle also, the point is under one corner. Even if you consider 3 and 4, the point is of the corner. So if you want to find out the stress because of the entire loaded area, that can be find out by sum it up. That means stress because of the loaded area, rectangle 1, plus stress because of the loaded area in rectangle 2, stress because of the loaded area in rectangle 3, plus stress due to loaded area in the rectangular 4. That means if you want to find out inside the stress of the rectangular loaded area, you will divide it into number of rectangles and then you will add like this. Then you will get the stress at the required point. Okay. Thank you.